CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 5.3, Summarize methods used to interface with databases. Data Manipulation Language. DML, or Data Manipulation Language commands, are used for defining and managing the data of your database. For your CompTIA ITF Plus exam, you will need to know what a few of these commands can do at a basic level. First up, we have the insert command. This command is used to add new records into a table. I have a command on the left and the right will be our output. Currently we have an empty table named employees that has no records in it. Now we will run the command on the left. After running the command, this would be the result. Our insert command added 3 new records to our table named employees. Next, we have the update command. This command allows you to modify existing data records in a table. I have another command on the left and the right will be our output. Currently the output shows the results of our previous insert command. Now we will run the command on the left. After running the command, this would be the result. Our update command has replaced the salary of John Smith with a new value of $67,000. And up last, we have the delete command. The delete command is used to delete records in a table. Now for one last command. Currently the output shows the results of our previous update command. Now we will run our final command on the left. After running the command, this would be the result. Our delete command has erased our employee record for Steve Patel. Looks like he found a new job. Better study these videos hard if you want to be Steve's replacement. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.